In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way through Google Workspace with ease, offering you some handy tips and tricks along the way. Whether you're new to it or just looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will help you harness the full power of Google services for maximum productivity. First, we're going to head over to ClickUp, a tool that's incredibly useful for managing tasks and projects. If you're not familiar with how to access ClickUp, don't worry, it's a breeze. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in clickup.com. Once you hit enter, you'll be directed to the home page where you can log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. ClickUp is a centralized hub where all your tasks and projects come alive. It's known for its user-friendly interface and powerful organizational features, making it an essential component in a structured work environment. Now that you're inside ClickUp, the next step is to navigate to the More section, which you'll find at the top of the user interface. Clicking on More reveals a set of options. What we're interested in today is Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This section is where you can integrate various applications, linking all your favorite productivity tools seamlessly. Integrations are a game changer as they allow different apps to communicate with each other efficiently, reducing the time spent on repetitive tasks and enabling automation where possible. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll see a search bar. Here, type in Notion. Notion is another popular productivity app that many people use for note-taking and managing tasks. After hitting enter, click on Connect to establish a link between ClickUp and Notion. Connecting these two apps means you can sync your tasks across platforms, keeping your information consistent and up to date, no matter which app you're using at the time. This connectivity is crucial for reducing errors, staying organized, and ensuring you're always working with the latest information. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Notion with ClickUp. This is what it looks like to streamline your productivity tools within Google Workspace. By making these integrations, you're setting yourself up for a more efficient work process, thereby increasing your productivity and minimizing unnecessary stress. In conclusion, leveraging tools like ClickUp and Notion through Google Workspace can drastically optimize your workflow. With these integrations, you'll reduce the time it takes to switch between different platforms and minimize the risk of data discrepancies. Whether you're an individual trying to organize your tasks or part of a larger team aiming for cohesive project management, making use of these tools will undoubtedly make your life much easier. So give it a try and watch how it transforms the way you manage your tasks. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.